Hey, what's up, good people? It's Goldee here with LockZitude, and I am coming on with a quick update because I forgot to check my calendar to see when the last time was that I talked about my process of combining my Sisterlocks. I'm still not down to microlocs, but in either case, I started combining my Sisterlocks because some of them were just way too tiny for my liking, especially as a self retightener. So I wanted to come on and give an update to show the progress. I have started working on my retightening last week, and I left a little patch here because I was supposed to come on several days ago and got busy because it's a busy time of year. And so I just remembered that, oh, I still got a little patch here that I need to finish retightening. So I need to knock that out so I can stay on schedule, because I retighten my hair usually every 5 weeks. This time I went about 6 weeks because I was just too busy. I didn't have time. So I have my hair kind of sectioned out. As you can see, it does not take long for my hair to start peeking through, but this is about a week's worth of week-old retightening up here. I did everything except for this little patch that I have stripped away. But I wanted to show you this before I get started, because some people are like, well, what happens when you combine your locks? And like I said, I'm one of those people, I just leave it alone. I combine the locks and then I just let it be. I don't try to combine them and instant lock them together. I don't feel the need to do that. But since some of mine were super tiny, I did go ahead and 2-strand twist mine, like especially before I rolled it. But eventually they'll fuse together. If you 2-strand twist it, it'll just fuse and kind of mat together. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the 2 headers because I have several 2-head dragons around here. But right now it's not bothering anything, so I just let them be. And if they get on my nerves, I just twist them together. So I wanted to show you the progress because I think it was like, I have to look back. I'll put it in the caption before I post this. But I want to say it was like maybe around May or June that I combined. So how many months ago was that? So if you look and see, this is one that was combined, okay? And from the time that I combined, that's how much growth has come out with these 2 locks being there. Basically, it's a 2-header, okay? They're both healthy, okay? They were tiny, but they were healthy, but just too tiny for my liking. So this shows you how much growth I have there. And maybe I'll measure to see how much growth it's been. I'll look back and put that in the caption. But this is literally how much this has grown out and fused together. And if you see, it's fused. You cannot separate these even if you wanted to. Okay, and this is what I was talking about. And if you look at it, that's the size, that's a good size of a lock. It's still small, but it is still a really good size. And you see, this is 2 individuals that were combined, and I just started interlocking those. So every 5 weeks I would retighten, and that's how much growth I have. And it's doing fine. Same thing with some other ones in this area. Okay, so I just wanted to show that. And then I'm on the home stretch here. So I've got one out right here, and you can see this is how much new growth. Now again, the larger the lock, the less frequently you have to retighten. Okay, so I'm running into that issue where if I have some of these that have been combined, like this one's combined, you can see that's what I'm getting ready to do, and I'm just gonna retighten it just like normal. But look at that, it's all fused together. But I'd like to take my little crispy new growth here and wrap it before I start to pull through. I'm not real concerned about whether my little hairs, because my hair grows in between the parts anyway, so it's not really a concern for me. But I literally just go through. I don't use a mirror when I do my retightnings because actually mirrors mess me up. So I just do it by feel. Okay, and as you can see, I'm looking down. I don't look at myself doing it, I just feel it and go through and get my retightening. But like I said, this is a little overdue. So I've got a little more than a full rotation. I got about a rotation and a half. But basically that's what I do. And if it's real fluffy, then I'll go through and I'll neaten it up with my tool, but that's it. Okay, I just leave it like that. I just got a little bitty patch here, but look at how my new growth, y'all see how my hair it's very deceptive because my hair shrinks in very quickly. But I usually just go through, I have a comb that I neaten up, and this is two. These are ones that I have not combined because I haven't decided if I really want to combine those yet. But right now I think they're okay because I think it'd be a little too juicy for me if I combine there. I don't really want to combine that just yet. So I'll keep this as an individual. But this is what I do. I just go through. Yes, I'm using the dab tool, and I just feel my way and make sure that I'm not accidentally combining something, because that's very easy to do when you're retightening your own hair. And I just feel my way through it and snatch it up. But I wanted to show the progress so you could see what the combined locks are doing at this point and how they really don't impact how your hair looks at all. People get apprehensive about that, thinking that it's not going to look right or whatever. And I'm just like, look, your hair is going to be fine. Just let it be. I'm talking, so I lost track of where I was, but it doesn't matter. If I put a hole in it, I'll just fix it later, okay? But just wanted to show you that things are going well with the combined locks, and I'm happy with my choice. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, and I did go back and check, and wow, can you believe it's been 7 months since I combined these locks? But this is how much new growth I have. I don't know if this is a lot or if this is a little bit, but seems like a lot to me. I'm happy with it.